Welcome to our cozy kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make delicious quesadillas with cheese and pumpkin flowers. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 corn tortillas, or flour tortillas if you prefer, 1 cup of cleaned and chopped pumpkin flowers, 1 cup of Oaxaca or mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Optional salsa or guacamole for serving. Let's get started. First, prepare the pumpkin flowers. Heat a small skillet over medium heat and add half a tablespoon of butter or oil. Add the chopped pumpkin flowers to the skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Remove from heat and set aside. Next, heat the tortillas. On a large pan or comal, lightly toast the tortillas over medium heat for about 1 minute on each side to warm them up. Now, let's assemble the quesadillas. Take 1 tortilla and sprinkle about a 1/4 cup of cheese evenly over half of the tortilla. Spoon some of the cooked pumpkin flowers over the cheese. Fold the tortilla in half to create a half-moon shape. Time to cook the quesadillas. Place the quesadilla on the heated pan or comal. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, pressing lightly with a spatula until the cheese is fully melted and the tortilla is crispy. Repeat with the remaining tortillas. Finally, serve your delicious quesadillas. Slice each quesadilla in half and serve hot with salsa or guacamole on the side. Enjoy your cheesy, flavorful pumpkin flower quesadillas. Gracias.